Have you ever wondered if your morning coffee could actually improve your health instead of just waking you up? Imagine turning that simple cup into a natural energy booster, joint supporter, and even a gentle mood lifter, all by stirring in one spoonful of something surprising. Today, we're revealing 8 incredible powders that can transform your daily coffee into a wellness ritual. Some are familiar, some are little-known secrets used by seniors around the world, but powder number 4 might just shock you the most. Before we continue, kindly tap the subscribe button on your screen so you never miss more simple, science-backed health tips made just for you. Welcome back to Senior Health Tips, the place where we talk about small, natural habits that make a big difference as we age. I'm Dr. David, and like many of you, I start every morning with a warm cup of coffee, but what if that same cup could help with energy, focus, digestion, and even joint comfort? Over the years, I've helped hundreds of seniors discover how little daily choices, like what you add to your coffee, can support better living. I'll never forget my friend Marlene, 72, who used to say, "My mornings feel stiff until my second cup." After learning about one of these powders, her mornings completely changed, not just because of caffeine, but because she added something her body truly needed. In this video, I'll walk you through 8 natural powders that can be safely mixed into your coffee. Each one has real benefits, backed by science, and easy enough to try today. Stay tuned, because powder number 4 caught even me by surprise, and it's something most people already have in their kitchen. Let's begin with something many people already know, but few truly understand: collagen powder. Collagen is a natural protein your body produces to maintain healthy joints, skin, and bones. However, after the age of 50, collagen production steadily declines. This reduction is one of the reasons many people start to notice stiffer movements or fine lines on the skin. Adding a scoop of hydrolyzed collagen to your morning coffee can help supply the amino acids your body needs to support tissue repair and flexibility. It dissolves easily and doesn't affect taste, making it an effortless addition to your daily routine. Many seniors report feeling subtle improvements in mobility after consistent use for several weeks. My client, Otto, 71, once said, "It didn't happen overnight, but my knees finally stopped reminding me of every step." The key with collagen is consistency. The body needs time to rebuild. Start small, stay regular, and always choose a reputable brand tested for purity. Now, moving to something more aromatic: cinnamon powder. Often viewed as just a spice, cinnamon offers potential health benefits that make it a worthwhile addition to your daily cup. Research suggests that cinnamon may help balance blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which can be especially valuable for older adults managing metabolism changes. It's also rich in antioxidants that support heart health. Using a small pinch, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, can provide flavor without overwhelming the palate. Remember, more is not better. Large amounts may cause discomfort. A little truly goes a long way. My friend Lucinda, 68, adds cinnamon to her coffee every morning, claiming it helps her skip sugary creamers while keeping her energy steady throughout the day. It's a simple, fragrant way to make your coffee work a little harder for your health. Next is a bright yellow favorite known for its healing reputation: turmeric powder. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, has been widely studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. For seniors dealing with joint stiffness or mild discomfort, turmeric may provide gentle, natural support. A small amount, about a 1/4 teaspoon, added to your coffee can offer benefits without altering the taste too much. Combining it with a tiny pinch of black pepper helps your body absorb it more effectively. Turmeric isn't a quick fix, but rather a long-term companion for overall wellness. One of my workshop attendees, Ramesh, 70, told me he noticed a smoother range of motion in his hands after including turmeric daily for several months. He described it as my golden morning ritual. It's a spice of patience. Small, consistent use yields the best results. Now for something that may surprise many: cocoa powder, the same ingredient that gives chocolate its rich flavor. Unsweetened cocoa powder is high in flavonoids, plant compounds known to support circulation and cardiovascular health. These compounds help relax blood vessels, promoting better blood flow to the brain and heart. A teaspoon of pure, unsweetened cocoa added to your morning coffee not only gives a comforting flavor but may also improve mood and cognitive function. It's a wonderful example of how indulgence can meet health. My client Gertrude, 74, said adding cocoa to her coffee made mornings feel luxurious while supporting her heart. "It's like dessert that loves me back," she laughed. Powder number 4 truly is the most shocking because it feels like a treat, but it's scientifically backed to help you feel better inside and out. Another lesser-known but powerful option is lion's mane mushroom powder. This medicinal mushroom has gained attention for its potential to support memory, focus, and nerve health. Early studies suggest lion's mane may encourage the growth of brain cells and help protect against cognitive decline. For seniors wanting to stay sharp and mentally active, this can be an intriguing addition. It has a mild, earthy flavor that blends well with coffee. Taking 1 teaspoon daily may be beneficial, but patience is important, as results develop over time. My friend Clarence, 73, began using lion's mane powder during his morning reading routine. After a month, he noticed he could recall details more easily and felt more mentally alert throughout the day. While not a miracle powder, lion's mane is one of the most promising natural ways to nourish the brain gently and consistently. Now let's talk about flaxseed's powder, a nutritional powerhouse. Ground flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and soluble fiber, nutrients that support both heart and digestive health. Seniors often benefit from the fiber's ability to promote regularity and maintain a healthy cholesterol balance. Just 1 teaspoon in your coffee can subtly thicken the drink, creating a smooth texture while delivering valuable nutrients. Because flaxseed can absorb liquid quickly, it's important to drink it soon after mixing. My client Henrik, 69, told me his cholesterol numbers improved slightly after 3 months of regular use, along with a noticeable improvement in digestion. For many, this small adjustment can make mornings not only energizing but genuinely restorative. The next powder on our list is Maca root powder, an ancient Peruvian plant traditionally used to boost energy and support hormonal balance. Maca is known for helping improve stamina, mood, and resilience to stress without increasing caffeine intake. 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily is usually enough. Its subtle nutty taste complements coffee naturally. Maca contains plant compounds that support the endocrine system, which plays a key role in maintaining energy and vitality as we age. My patient Helen, 66, once told me she felt more balanced emotionally and physically after adding Maca to her coffee. It's a gentle energizer that harmonizes rather than overstimulates, perfect for those seeking calm, sustainable energy through the day. Finally, we come to Inulin powder, derived from chicory root. Inulin is a natural prebiotic fiber that nourishes the beneficial bacteria in your digestive system, helping improve gut health and digestion. A healthy gut contributes to better nutrient absorption and even supports immune function. Inulin also provides a subtle sweetness, making it an excellent replacement for sugar. Start with 1/2 teaspoon, as it can cause bloating if introduced too quickly. Over time, it can help maintain regularity and digestive comfort. My client Bernadette, 72, used to struggle with irregular digestion but found notable improvement after incorporating Inulin daily. "It's a sweet change that truly helped my stomach settle," she said. Each of these powders offers its own unique benefit, from supporting your joints to sharpening your mind. The best part is that they fit easily into your existing coffee routine, small habits with big potential. Before trying any supplement, always consult your healthcare provider to ensure it's safe for you. Which of these 8 powders would you try first? Or do you already have a favorite addition to your morning coffee? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear what's worked for you and what surprised you most. Your stories help others discover simple ways to live better, 1 cup at a time. As we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these powders are you most curious to try in your coffee? Or do you already have a favorite addition that's made a difference in your mornings? Your experiences are incredibly valuable to our community, so please share in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss our next tip on enhancing your wellness journey. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best tips for healthy aging. Thank you for being part of our community.